yours from now on until you are done. Can we have another resounding applause for His Excellency? Your Excellency, sir.
Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, the former Vice President, Anisambu, our special guest of honor, Nyesom Wike, Minister FCT, former governors that are present here, starting from our third father, Jim Nwubodo and his wife, and all former governors that are here, his children. Let me, on behalf of all the distinguished guests that are here, let me rest an existing protocol and recognize you all. On behalf of Sam, Anyanwu, Sam Daddy, and the entire family, let me welcome you all to this joyous occasion, the 60th birthday of our brother, our friend, Dr. Sam Anyanwu. We thank the Almighty God for today, and we thank you all for taking your time to be here, to be part of this celebration. To achieve 60 is not a small thing. We celebrate with the children and the wife and siblings and all the family to be here with us to celebrate. Sam, for me personally, it is a great honor. I remember initially you had told me this was going to be on the 23rd, but I told you that I had a wedding, and you said, no, I must be here, and you have honored me by bringing to this day. That honor is enough for me to say thank you for what you have done. Many people might have known you much more before I did. Our journey started in 2015 when we were both elected to the 8th Senate. And from the very first day to the last day, Sam shows some characters that are unique about generally his commitment, his integrity, his loyalty, fiercely loyal. If you all know that period in the Senate were very, very tough periods, but he showed men of character who preferred the period of discomfort, the period to stand for what they believe in, than the perks of the office or the perks of the job. People like Sam said no to some of the advances to stand in what they believe in. We made him chairman of ethics. It was a committee that had no interaction with any agency. But Sam worked so hard that you would have thought there was something more to it. It was service to Nigerians. I remember one story where Sam put before an oil company that was misapplying the rules to his staff. And there's nothing this oil company did not offer Sam. In order for Sam to doctor a report, Sam stood firm, said no again and again. And the man came to me and said, I should talk to Sam. I said, I cannot talk to Sam. This is a man that has shown consistently the kind of person he is. And to now show the kind of person he is, even for his bosses, he has no fear. So I'm sure Sam is the first senator to ever bring the Senate President before him in the ethics committee. I said, Sam, I thought I'm your boss. He said, no, sir, I must do the right thing. You must appear before the ethics committee. I give these examples for you to understand why, for some of us, this is a man who has shown consistently great character. Those things here you have done well, Sam, I hope you continue to keep them and do them properly. As we celebrate today, I'm sure others will have many stories to give. I want to appeal to us that we should try as much as possible to respect the time and try and let us be in and out of here by 8 o'clock. And by the powers by me, I'm going to put the motion. Those in favor that we are out of here by 8 o'clock, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. And I have ruled from here, and that is what it's going to be. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not only the chairman today, I'm also going to take over as MC to ensure that there's compliance in what we are doing. But once again, I am sure in that time, we can dance, enjoy, and have a great evening. Sam, congratulations, and I thank you all for coming. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. A very affable gentleman, the former president of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.